Hi everyone and welcome to today's practice. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the exercises that I do when I need a break from the desk. This will take 10 to 15 minutes, so if you have that time, that's great. If you're short on time, I'll probably make another video to make sure you can enjoy it too. But before we begin, if you like my YouTube videos, consider joining my membership site for more videos on energy, stress relief, and sleep. And if you want to go deeper into your practice, you can join me live every Sunday on Zoom for a 45-minute Qigong session. You can find more information on how to join in the description below. Let's begin today's practice. We're going to begin in a standing position. Just take a few moments here to open up through your spine, to relax your hips, unlock your knees, and become aware of your feet. Relax your neck and shoulders, release the back of the neck, and simply become aware or get a sense of your body. I always like to start with a twist and turn exercise. Great way to get the body moving. Also helps to open up through the spine. So we begin to feel like humans again. Stay grounded through your feet. Keep your knees soft, your hips relaxed. Allow your movement to begin from your feet up. A gentle twist across the abdomen and the lower back. And pretty much relaxed upper body. Begin to release through your neck and shoulders. Feel your arms long and heavy. If that's a bit quick for you, you can always slow it down. Qigong is beautiful this way. You can always adjust. Begin to relax through your lower back, through your hips. Very good. Slow it down. Come back to center. From here, we're going to bounce into the heels as we swing the arms from side to side. Just a small bounce. Begin to let go through your chest, through your arms, through your upper back. Feel your arms long. Feel your arms heavy. So every time you bounce, your arms swing. Keep that in mind where the movement begins. Begins at your feet, comes from the lower body. There's no tension, no lot of effort in your upper back, upper chest. Very good. Last one, side to side, and slow it down. Already begin to notice the difference, that shift into relaxation, into awareness and space. Next, we're gonna continue the momentum. Now I want you to throw your arms up in the air as you turn from side to side. You're trying to release the upper back, so be kind and gentle to your lower back. Feel your legs strong, feel your legs working and pumping. Letting go stress, tension from your neck and shoulders. Very good. Let's slow it down. And relax as always. Rest, relax, and observe. Feel that rush coming down your arms, coming down into your middle back. Feel all the sensations. Very good. From here, we're going to rotate the ankles. Always make sure that you have a good circulation, good supply down to the legs. Just tuck your big toe, keep it grounded, and create as much movement around your ankle as you can. Change the direction. Very good. Put your foot flat, and we'll do the same on the other side. If you're trying to improve the flexibility of your ankle, again, slow it down. If you only do 5 to 6 repetitions, that's good. Change the direction. Be mindful, be present on what you're doing. Just taking that break, mental break, but also to pay attention. Very good. Shake it off. Then bring your feet together, keeping the good posture. Get stable through your feet. And we're going to open up through the hip, one leg at a time. It doesn't have to be too out. Just want to move some blood. Open. Lift, open. Lift, open. Lift, open. 3 more times on each side. Don't rush through that. Just stay grounded, stay centered. Checking in with your core, alignment of your spine. And I think we've done enough. Let's wrap it up and relax. Shake it off to the side. If you're throwing off slippers, really trying to loosen up all the way from the hip down. That softness, that comfort, any blockages or stagnation, you want to release them. And one more time on this side. Shake it off, shake it loose. Good stuff. Then bring your feet parallel. Always like to include upward stretches, so really good circulation up and down the spine. Now let's slow things down. Slowly opening through the side. Allow your shoulders to drop. Keeping your palms nice and open. Turn your palms up. Feel the weight on your shoulders. It's a good weight. We lift and we press out. We're releasing everything up into the sky. Feel free to shift your weight forward, maybe even come up on your toes. Perfect elongation, effortless elongation. Release gently and relaxing, starting from your neck and shoulders, going down your torso into your hips, all the way down to your feet. I want you to feel that shift from effort into relaxation. We go again. Open up first. Let your hands rest on a big fluffy cloud underneath your palms. Then turn, opening your chest to the sky, lift, and gently press upwards. Begin to slowly raise up, keeping your joints slightly soft, so don't overcompensate. Opening through intention, through awareness, without locking the joints. Then release, and again, big wave of comfort and relaxation traveling down. We go again. You open first, staying grounded, rooted through your feet, aligned through your spine, full awareness of the position of the body. Turn your palms up. Mindfully opening up, creating space. Open, open, open. Make sure you still breathe in and you let go. You let it flow. Continue that flow all the way down to your feet. One more time. Open first. Turn. Press upwards. Open it up. Keep the back of the neck nice and long. You need that circulation to the brain. And we let go. We soften. We shift into that natural state of relaxed body, space and comfort. Very good. Then draw your hands in. Feel free to close your eyes here a little bit on concentration to refocus and recharge the energy. Take a deep breath into your belly. Exhale softly, pulling the belly in towards the lower back. Breathe in through the nose. Breathe out. A couple of those at your own pace. Concentrating on your center, on the area underneath your palms. Keep your breath slow and relaxed. Let it travel all the way down to your belly. One more time. Exhale. Relax your hands to the side. Notice how you feel. Notice what changed. And finish your practice. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoy this little break. I hope you feel good after this session. So enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos or live streams. I wish you a great health and see you next time.